Let me tell you about Lemme.
Hey everyone, Lemme is a reduction of the phrase let me. We connect. Whoa, you're saying Lemme is the same as let me? What? That is correct. Lemme is a shortened form of let me. Let me give you a couple examples. You could say, let me ask you a question. You could also say, let me know if you can come over. Or let me know what you think about that. Okay. Well, let me ask you a question. Aren't these reductions just lazy English? That's a great question, one that a lot of people have. And let me assure you that reductions are totally natural. They're not lazy speech. They happen all the time in spoken English. They're very common and they're very normal. Sweet. That's pretty cool. Hey, what you eating there? Cheetos. Are those flamin' hot Cheetos? Yep. Yeah, let me get one of those. Thanks.